हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 7 जनरल साइंस का 13 नंबर का चैप्टर चेंजेस फिजिकल एंड केमिकल, उसकी एक्सरसाइज। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस क्या है? डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग। फर्स्ट, फिजिकल चेंज एंड केमिकल चेंज। First, physical change. The properties of the original substances remain the same in the physical change. Second, the properties of the original substance alter in the chemical change. Second, their original composition remains unchanged. Second, the original composition change. Third, the physical changes are reversible. The chemical changes are irreversible. Example, evaporation, boiling, dissolution, etc. Photosynthesis, corrosion. B. Periodic change and non-periodic change. Answer. Periodic change में है changes occurring again and again after the definite interval of time are called periodic changes. Changes not occurring again and again after a definite interval of time are called non-periodic changes. Second, there is constancy in periodic change. There is no constancy in non-periodic changes. Example, high and low tide of the sea. Moment of hands of love. Third, breaking of straw. C. Natural change and man-made change. First, natural change है the change occurring automatically by natural cause. It called natural changes. The change induced by man are called man-made change. Second, most of the natural events are the examples of natural changes. Second, man-made changes are due to man wish to satisfy his need. Third, ripening of fruit, cutting down the trees. Second, under which different types of can be following changes be classified? First, conversion of milk into yogurt. Answer, chemical irreversible slow. B. Bursting of the cracker. Answer, chemical irreversible fast. C. Occurrence of an earthquake. Answer, physical, chemical, irreversible, natural. 4. Revolution of the earth around the sun. Periodic, slow and natural. 5. Stretching of a spring. Answer, physical, reversible. थर्ड नंबर है गिव रीजन. फर्स्ट है while purchasing canned food its expiry date should be checked. Answer, every canned item has a limited shelf life. This is time limits during which the food items is safe to eat. This is mentioned on the can. But later, after the expiry date is over, the food may not remain in good condition due to irreversible chemical changes in it. Consuming such items can harm our health. Therefore, while purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. B है an iron article should be given a coat of paint. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. आंसर है an iron article rust naturally which is called corrosion. Corrosion takes place due to oxygen moisture vapors of chemical in the air. Corrosion makes articles weak and unstable. Therefore, to keep the iron articles in better condition, it should be given a coat of paint. C. A wooden article should be polished. Answer, a wood is an organic substance. This is affected by termites or fungus. These natural changes can be result into irreversible damage. If polish is applied to such wooden articles, the rate of natural changes slows down. Thus, to prevent these harmful changes, a wooden article should be polished. D. Copper and brass utensils should be tin. Answer, the metals like copper and brass gather a greenish layer due to slow chemical changes. This is corrosion which happens due to oxygen, moisture and vapors of chemical in the air. For the prevention of such corrosion, copper and brass utensils are steamed. Moreover, the tin utensils are safer for cooking. Next question say E. A dry handkerchief gets wet at once on dipping in water, but it takes long for a wet handkerchief to dry. Answer. A dry handkerchief absorbs the water. Once it dips into the water, this is the fast changes. But drying such moist handkerchief is a slow process which occurs due to evaporation. Evaporation is the physical change which depends upon atmospheric temperature and humidity. It may therefore take long for drying a wet handkerchief. Fourth number का क्वेश्चन है व्हाट विल यू टेक इनटू अकाउंट व्हाइल आइडेंटिफाइंग द फॉलोइंग। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। ए है अ फिजिकल चेंज इन अ सब्सटेंस। आंसर इट विल बी सीन दैट वेदर द सब्सटेंस हैज चेंज इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज एंड कंपोजिशन। इफ बोथ ऑफ these have remained unchanged, then it is physical change. B. A chemical change in a substance. Answer. It will be seen that whether the substance is changed in its properties, whether the composition of substances is changed, whether the change is irreversible. If all these changes are taking place, then it will be a chemical change. 5 है read the paragraph and note down the various types of change in its mention. So, it was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. The sun was setting. A breeze was blowing. Leaves on the tree were shaking. Sahil was sitting on the courtyard, rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys. Then he felt hungry and went into the house. Mother made a dough from wheat flour and fried puris. While eating hot puris, his attention was drawn outside to window. It had started raining. There was lightning too. Sahil was enjoying his dinner in the dim light. तो फर्स्ट का आंसर है इट वॉज नियरिंग 6 o'clock in the evening. Time irreversible periodic. Second, the sun was setting. Sunset periodic or reversible. 3. A breeze was blowing. Blowing on of wind physical non-periodic. 4. Leaves on the tree were shaking. Movements due to wind, physical, periodic. 5. Sahil was sitting in the courtyard, rolling balls of the wet soil and shaping them into various toys, making toys of soil physical. 6. Dana felt hungry and went into the house, hunger, periodic. 7. Mother made a dough from the wheat flour and fried puris. Frying physical irreversible. 8 है while eating hot puris his attention was drawn outside the windows, seeing randomly non-periodic. 9. It had started raining. Raining physical, periodic if raining in specific season. 10. There was lighting. Lighting physical, chemical, fast.
Thanks for watching video. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.